in another car, and it is a mid-engine car. We are in Matt's, doormats, 2018, correct?
Yep.
2018 Ferrari 48 Spyder. So obviously we got the roof missing. Super awesome spec. He's got carbon everywhere. And I've never gotten to drive a newer Ferrari on the track. Did spend some time in a Scud and got to drift it, and that was super awesome. So this, as you guys might know, this is a turbocharged Ferrari. This is not a 458. This is an 88, so it does have twin turbos in the back. So it's a whole hell of a lot faster and has a shit ton more torque. So we're gonna go do about 2-3 laps out there and see what this thing's about. And then we're on race mode on the steering wheel. And this car does have a Gintani tune. I took a ride with Matt. He was my first victim of the day, and it actually sounds freaking incredible. I have not said where we're at. We're actually at AMP, guys, Arizona Motorsports Park. I think it's about a 2.5 mile course. Features about one main straight and one secondary straight. It's about 135 mile an hour blast in before a hard right-hander. Thanks again, Matt. I really appreciate it.
Yep. This is my transportation to Vegas tomorrow. So
oh, hell yeah.
Complete in one piece.
Vacation?
Yeah. A little quick in and out.
Hell yeah. Where you staying?
Cosmo.
Nice. We just got a room at the Venetian. Nice. Gonna go and drive some cars at Speed Vegas. We're clear?
You're good.
All right, let's see what this is about. Lots of power. Lots of power. Holy crap. Really nice brake. Oh wow, this car's so controlled. This thing's a track monster. This thing's unbelievable. It's so fast. This thing's just, I don't know what to say bad about it. This car is effortless. Unbelievable. And this car is lowered, guys, so I'm going like 3 out of 10 right now. I'm not trying to load the tire up, I'm trying to really respect this guy's car, but it is a blast to drive. Just so much power everywhere. I'm not even gonna downshift because the car's just gonna go right here. Watch. I just give it some gas and it just goes. There we go. This is so fucking sick, man. God damn. everything I could have imagined a Ferrari could be. It just because the top is missing, guys, doesn't mean this isn't a fucking sports car. This is incredible. I guess I just haven't driven enough cars to really appreciate it. I feel like it's the best car. It's just so damn good. I felt like I was out there like Miss Daisy just doing a Sunday drive, and the thing was 1 billion miles an hour. Wow.
Good times, good times.
I guess they're gonna do a photo shoot here. I'll just leave it here for you. Do you want to do it with them?
Yeah.
Okay. Holy crap. So there we have it. There's our 2 flyers in Matt's 1848, and all I can say is I'm speechless. I'm speechless.